Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to add animation or effects on Google Slide. So here you can see I have image and text also, so I'll show you how you can add animation. So you need to select the object and just click on right. You can click right or you can simply click on this format option. I just click on it and go to the animation. In animation you can see this is object I have selected. Now I have to change the animation tab. There is a server animation you can choose, so I choose this fly in from right. Okay, so this object will be come in the from right side in on screen. Now you can select the on screen after preview or with preview, so I click on click, and you can adjust the speed. Okay, so I make it medium and 2.6 second. And now if I click on play, so I need to click on because it will on click, so it is play. Now same way you have to select the text. Okay, and select the text and go to the animation. Now this text has been selected, so here I just select this fly in front top on click. Okay, make the speed medium, make it by paragraph. Okay, don't need play. Okay, just I have to need to click on it, then first will become, now text will become. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.